Celebs. Keriandongo celebs. Molokon celebs. What are you looking?
This is your boy MC comes straight up from B-Town after Molokon. Bad man looking good in the camp. A bad man looking good. Say what? What them say?
You want a bam bam? You want to chill with the big girls? Yeah, man.
What bamba?
Eve. First time the bam bam of Eve. Big nyash.
Eve J, you want to bamba?
Want to chill with the big boys?
Sister Agnes, you want to bamba?
We are chilling with the big boss. We are off to the garden.
Yes. To do what?
Yeah, man.
Have you been there before ever?
Of course.
So you know.
I'm a farmer.
She's a farmer.
Mommy is rich, oh. Her kids are hardworking, oh.
I'm blessed.
We go to the farm. We even cook for her. Our mom is blessed.
You know, I have, is it 11 or 10 kids?
1 dozen.
1 dozen of kids, and they are all smart, hardworking.
Yeah, man.
Different.
And right now we are off to the garden. We're going to harvest maize. Afterwards, we are taking Mama for full body massage. You know, she's not used.
It's gonna be needed.
Yeah, man.
Agnes, so how does the farm look like?
Very big.
You're going to come tomorrow.
Hey, I am scared.
No, we did not forget with food. Eh? Hey, we shared the food.
This is our lunch, breakfast, and dinner.
Yeah, man.
All at once.
We did not forget with music too.
Yes, we have
Full bucket.
the GBL. I am so excited. Which one, my bad? Before minute.
Yeah, man. Music coming behind. She like the way I move. She like the way I bounce. Huh.
She not there.
Huh. Building. Who?
Yeah, better than you know.
She like the way I bounce.
I know where I've been.
Huh? Man them.
Breakfast.
No?
Yeah, man. She's a good blogger.
Agi, you know me go up full.
Man, you don't eat pap, even piglet.
Man, for the make it all about you. Why can't you?
Mình còn cái chả ngoài uống chả. Chả. Mấy là na ở trong cái đen chả. Cái này.
What pain or the clean?
Pin chả này mới thịt đen này. Quen cô. Wang, ponle wang.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You look at who?
Look at me. We have a vibe.
Let me do that view.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Man them.
Tell them.
Why I say?
Why you say?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I did.
Look the view of the garden. Yeah, man. This is calm.
This is calm. This is game.
They like Poppy, what you get to? I pop a burger retarded. Wait. Yeah. I said I feel invisible. It's 100 niggas in the spot. I won't be cool. It's 85 just to fool. I'm on my team. Cause 100 of these niggas be corny. I feel that horny. And I shoot like Robert Horry.
I can't hear a breath here.
Friction.
What a friction.
Ow. Man them. Ah.
What got some milk? Ay.
Agnes, there.
I'm not there.
Where are you? Yeah, man.
This is going to be the longest video.
Yeah.
View on my body. Head to toe like a mannequin. I'm every day, I'm just a panicking. I pull my banner. If I option a fool.